So, why are you here?
It's a crime scene.
Yeah, but you do blood spatter.
So?
So? There's no blood here.
What was that?
The Monty.